Hi, let's talk about doTERRA's oregano. Oregano oil is a powerhouse, but it's an oil not to be toyed with. It is a hot oil. That means it can burn the skin on contact, so you have to be very careful with it. Dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil before applying it topically. This oil is designed to boost your immune system. It is an unsung hero. It is amazing. If you want to take it internally, just put it in one of these, a little veggie capsule, take it apart, add a couple of drops, take it 1 to 2 times a day, bam. During times of seasonal threats, it's going to boost your body's defense mechanisms. Powerful. If you have your favorite pot of chili or spaghetti, add a couple of drops of oregano to it and bam, amazing. Also, got some warts or skin tags? Ask me about that and I'll tell you how oregano can help your skin. Oil in a minute.